In the last video of this soft floor repair project, I had everything set up to start shopping for wires, connectors, wood, fiberglass, and anything that I need to continue the project. Hope you guys enjoy this video and see where the project is going. I got the fuel tank set up and all the old wires out. It's time for me to install new wiring. Make sure you use waterproof buck connectors when you're doing electrical work in a boat. I got the wires ready, and now it's time for me to start cutting the wood for the floor. After I cut the wood, I fitted it in the boat to make sure everything was done right. Then I set it up with a stainless steel screw. I had about 1.5 inch gap in some areas, and I used a gap filler to fill them up, and it worked out pretty good. Now the sanding process starts, and this is a process that nobody likes. Make sure when you do this, you are protected. If you're not wearing long sleeve or long pants, you can use baby powder in order to protect yourself. And also make sure you use a breathing mask. Fiberglass powder can be very itchy and also can be very dangerous if you breathe it. After a long morning of sanding, I'm ready for the fiberglass. So this is where I am in the 1994 Century 17 center console with soft floor. I hope you enjoyed this video and see what you're gonna get into if you're gonna start a project like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos coming soon.